Dressmakers and friends, welcome again on the channel. I'm so happy to have you here again. In this video, let's learn how to make this beading design. What you want to do first is to get the dress that you are going to be working on. Any hemline, whether the hemline of your sleeve or the hemline of your blouse, will work for this design. And I'm going to be using broken beads as well as a matching thread. Ensure that your thread matches with your fabric, because even though your thread will not show, you will have these dots of the thread showing. So let the thread be very close to the color of the fabric. After that, you are going to mark the point where you want your beads to come out from. All right, so I have ½ inch apart is what I'm going to be making use of. Remember, we are using seed beads, so when you are using seed bead, don't forget to do a needle test so that your beads can pass through the needle that you want to use. Then mark your spacing apart like this so that everything can come out looking equal and looking the same. So mark your spacing. So I have ½ inch apart here. So now, after marking your spacing, you are going to start your stitch. Make sure that the starting of the stitch is in a hidden place. You can see I had to use the seam allowance to hide the starting of my stitch. So once I come out from here, I'm now going to start picking my beads. Pick the number of beads that you think will give you the best curve that you need. So at first, I picked 5 beads here, and then I see that it's not going to give me the curve that I want. So I increased the beads to 9 beads. Okay, so 9 beads at first. This is 9 beads. Okay, and then all you want to do is take a pinch of fabric on the next marking, which is the ½ inch apart right here. So after taking a pinch of fabric just like this, you want to go inside of the last bead. I'm going to link a video of the last beading that I uploaded on this channel for you to see, just in case you are not using seed beads, you are using crystal beads or a bigger beads. So you can see the way we just did that. After the first bead, which is 9, the next bead is now going to be 8. Remember, for the first we choose 9 beads, we pick 9 beads. For this next one, we are going to pick 8 beads. You will take a pinch of fabric from your next point just like that, and then you will go into your last bead just like this. This is still the same way we did it for the first one. It's still the same way we did it for the second one. You are going to pick your beads, 8 beads. Only the first one will be 9. Every other bead will be 1 less than that very first one, okay, so that everything can look very even. So take a pinch of fabric and go into the last bead just like that. Pick your beads. After picking your beads, go into the next point, which is the marking that you have already made. And after that, you are going to go into the last bead, just as you see me doing it, just like this. And this is how you are going to repeat the process until you are able to bead the entire area that you are working on. If you have found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would also like you to leave me some sweet comments. Let me know what you think about this design. Would you be trying it out on your next sewing project? Let me also take a moment to say thank you to all returning subscribers. We are just above 4,000 subscribers, and I know that we couldn't have got here without you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing our video tutorial with your friends. So all you need to do is keep following the steps that we have shared in this video, and you are going to achieve this. Now, when you get to the end of the entire hemline just like that, you are going to go into that last bead, and now you are going to make a knot right there. You are going to make your knot in such a way that it is very neat. If you've been a follower of this channel, you know that is neat or neat. Everything just has to be really neat, and that's how we get the desired beauty that we want. It will not speak well if it is beautiful and it is tacky. Okay, so now come out to the end of the fabric like this, and then take a pinch of the fabric again, and then make another stitch. Always make sure that your end stitch is well secured. Here is the final review. I hope you like it. I hope you are going to be trying it out. Don't forget to leave me a sweet comment, and I'll see you again in this next video.